Dongfeng six-wheel drive dump truck is a highly utilized heavy-duty transportation vehicle. Featuring a classic flat head cap also equipped with a crash bar. It comes with a slapper for the driver to rest. The vehicle is equipped with a powerful six-wheel drive powertrain with a 340 horsepower engine to ensure that it can show good passability in all complex road conditions. The front axle has a load capacity of 7 tons. Middle and rear axles have a capacity of 13 tons. The tires are 12 R20 model tires with a spare tire. It also adopts the suspension system of steel plate spring. The fuel tank capacity of this vehicle reaches 300 liters. There is no need to worry about long-distance driving. The wheelbase of this vehicle is 3890 plus 14,000 millimeters. Cargo box dimension is about 5.8 times 2.3 times 1.5 meters. The whole vehicle size is about 8.6 times 2.6 times 3.3 meters. The taller version of the cargo box can carry more goods. The vehicle is also equipped with a climbing ladder that's convenient for personnel to load and unload goods. The tipping action of the truck can precisely controlled by the maneuvering system, which makes unloading and transportation more convenient and efficient. With its excellent performance, Dongfeng six-wheel drive dump truck has become a leader in the field of transportation. That's all for today. Pay attention to the website for understanding.